is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the 350Z. Today the 350Z is going to get a much needed upgrade. I'm headed to Sonoma on Wednesday. We're taking the Z drifting, but before we can head to Sonoma, we have to swap out a few things. The Z looks so good. Let's see how long it stays looking like this. This was supposed to be the Drift Missile 350Z, but right now it doesn't look much like a Drift Missile, and I hope it never does. But I am Asian, and you know what they say about Asian drivers. What do they say about Asian drivers, Luke? Asian driver, no survivor. You guys have seen my S14. I totaled that. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to this car.
Yeah, that's mine.
Drift car! What did I say, guys? Asian driver, no survivor. Bro, what are you doing in Emmy's ball pit?
She don't play with it. I'll play with it.
Emmy, come here. He's in your ball pit. Come on. Come on, Emmy. Go. Go.
There's
Hop
no
in.
room for you.
She felt the wrong balls. Alright guys, let's get started with today's install for the 350Z. Kelvin, what do all drift cars need?
It's not the car, it's the driver. You thought I was gonna answer something else?
No, fool, what's the most important thing other than a driver that a drift car needs?
Steering wheel.
You know what, let's just install it.
Oh!
Suspension!
Yeah, coils.
Well guys, Kelvin isn't wrong. You do need a driver to drift, and you do need a steering wheel. But the most important thing is suspension. Let's install our new BC Racing Coilovers.
Not that bad, she looks pretty nice.
Today the 350Z is getting a little bit of love with some BC Racing Coilovers. These are Adam LZ spec. I hit up BC Coilovers and I told them, give me whatever Adam is running on his Z. They said, say less. For the rears, we are running 5K, and up front, we've got 12K. Well, let's take off the old coilovers. I don't even know what the car came with, to be honest, but we're gonna find out right now. BC, thank you guys so much. If you guys need some BC coilovers, head over to Adam LZ's website, purchase some BC coilovers, and you get entered to winning the 24 karat gold Blitz 03s. Here's the picture right here. Baller, huh? Mm-hmm. Blitz are literally going up in price, and these literally sold for $10,000. Go purchase anything. If you purchase coilovers, stickers, whatever it is, it gets you entered.
I'm about to go into it right now too, shit.
Go bro, come on.
I need some Blitz again.
Free Blitz 03s, baby. Oh yeah, I forgot. Check out this meme, guys. If you got Blitz 03s, that means you rich. And if you got ESRs, you broke. Usually we'll slam all of our cars, but I want to drift the crap out of this, so I don't care. We're gonna keep it at a really monstrous height. I just want this car to handle well. the 350Z is the best drift car to purchase. Not only is it cheap, well, cheaper than a 240SX at least, but there are absolutely no mods in this engine bay. This is a DE, and it probably will have oiling issues later, but I've drifted the crap out of this, no issues, and I pray to God it stays that way. 350Zs are notorious for oil issues on this, but for a little over $5,000, you get a drifting machine. All you need are some good coilovers, and you're ready to go. There we go. Let's find out what coilovers these are. Oh, Megan coilovers. Not bad, but we're replacing them with these beautiful ones. Another benefit of having a 350Z drift car is this baby has AC, and it blows so cold. All right, new coilovers are going in. BC coilovers are on. You guys ready for the review? Hit it, Justin. Car looks exactly the same.
What the Fool, I think you shitted.
You guys probably think that the 350Z looks the same. You're probably right. It does. We went for the same exact fitment, but it's not how it looks on the outside. It's what's on the inside that counts. Our baby's got some fresh new BC coilovers. I think this car is gonna handle amazing. That's pretty much it. I wanna thank BC Coilovers for sponsoring today's video and sponsoring our builds. I'm stoked to be a part of the team. Let's head back to the shop. Let's load up the Z and go have some fun with the boys. You know what's another cool thing about having a 350Z? Is all the trunk space. We're gonna take the crazy carts out right now to the crazy cart track. Let's go. Let me show you guys what fits in John's trunk. God damn. We out, baby.
We out here.
We're here, boys and girls, because I know there are girls watching.
Yeah.
Hey.
One, two, three. Okay. We just need more carts.
Oh, that's what's making all the noise, bro. This is literally bouncing around everywhere.
That's your battery?
I was like, what the hell is that noise? Wait, we're bringing this?
Yeah, bring that. Bring this.
Bring the charger? No way.
Yeah, dude, we got a spot over there, jacuzzi,
Swimming pool,
whatever you
tennis
need.
court,
Really?
basketball.
I've never been here, guys, and they call this the Crazy Cart Track. They also claim that there's an area where we could charge our spare batteries. Bro, this is like crazy car heaven.
So like once we get like, this is like a testing day for you, you know? But once we call the other homies up, like 10, 20 of us, this would be a movie.
Oh, hell nah. Let's go then. We also upgraded our crazy carts, by the way, and this is the first time actually testing it, so we'll have a little fun tonight. Gotta warm up the tires a little bit.
Yeah. Bro, how do you think of it?
This place is sick. There you go, extra battery is being charged right now as we speak. All right guys, John's gonna give us a tour of the crazy cart track. Let's go, baby. We're back. Oh my god, this place is freaking huge. And my arm is so sore from holding this heavy ass camera.
That's the short one.
No way. That's crazy. Dude, this place is even more huge than I imagined.
No, like, stop capping.
No, dead ass. Bro.
Imagine with 20 people though.
Bro.
Like a party.
Tandeming. Like next to each other.
My cart was not nearly as fast as John's either. I was trying my best to catch up and film with one hand.
And he almost died, right?
Everyone got underglow and shit.
Oh yeah, he almost died from the car, bro. Alright guys, we're gonna do our best to film this last portion of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it.
And the battery's low.
Oh no, the battery!